Alright, guys, boys and girls, okay, welcome back to my channel. And seriously, I've been trying so hard, like looking for many ways by which I can do this. I've tried recording this video using the Google Meet, but somehow some of the features are not seen. So I think the best way to present this to you is by using my phone and the laptop itself. Okay, so right now what I'm going to teach you is how to make the bell curve out of the values that we have calculated in the first video. So in the first video, you remember that we've done the values for the data and the norm, okay? So we have all these values. So what you're going to do now is to highlight the data and norm values. Go all the way down, okay? Highlighting it. All right, so now once you have highlighted it, we're going to choose the type of graph that we are going to insert. So you click on insert. You didn't see that one. Let me move my camera a little bit. Okay, so we click on the insert, okay, and then choose charts, this part. Okay, I like it to like to show that. So I'm choosing this, insert, scatter, XY, or bubble chart. So when you click on that, you would see different types of scatter plot, and I would choose the smooth curve. Okay, so I click on that, and then you would have the bell curve. All right, so now this is the bell curve for the males. Okay, so if I'm going to click on the bell curve, the bell shape, this one, this corresponds to the values of the male. So you see, when I click on this one, on the bell curve itself, this also is highlighted. So the value for data and the norm of males is highlighted. All right, so next, what we're going to do next is superimpose the value of the females. Okay, so how do we do that? Let me move my camera a little bit so that you can see this whole thing here. Right, so now you can click anywhere on the graph, right click. Okay, so right click anywhere on the graph and then choose select data. Okay, so once you have chosen select data, so this window data source, select data source will come out. So don't do anything with the chart data range. Okay, so what we're going to do is click on the series until you see the blue highlight and then edit. So we will change this to males. Okay, males. Check spelling, males. Click OK. Next one, since we're going to add the female bell curve, then you click on the add. Okay, just left click on the add. Series name would be female. Okay, female. All right, and then when we go to series X value, so click on that table where we have the series X value, and then we highlight the data of the females. So just the X value first. So let's highlight the whole data. So we're going all the way down, okay, to the end of the number. All right. So that's for the series X value. And then let's go to the series Y value. Let me just remove that first. Okay, so remove that. So we're on the series Y value. Then what we're going to do next is highlight the norm for the females. So this one. Okay, so highlight the whole thing, go all the way down up to the end of the number. Okay, so once you get that, then okay. So now and then click OK again. Then you would see, where's the graph? Oh, where's that? I'll remove this. Then right now what we have is the graph for both male and female. Okay, so to complete our graph, let me move my camera. To complete our graph, right? So make sure we put the title. So let's click on this part. Make it bigger, right? Click on the part. Okay. Chart element. And then click on the chart title. So what would be our chart title? Let's say a comparison of the normal distribution of male and female scores. Okay, so normal distribution of male and females score. Wrong spelling. Okay, score. So we have the title already, so we can put this a little bit up. Okay, next. Let's just move it. Where can we move? Okay, anyway, you can fix that soon, right? The next one, let's try to put in the x-axis. So the axis title, but we'll only choose the primary horizontal. So we don't need the primary vertical. Let's just put the axis title for primary horizontal. So this one here are the scores. Okay, scores. And then aside from that, to complete your data, again click on this one, on the plus, legend. So if you click on the legend, it would show you both the male and the female. Alright, so like that. There. So now we have completed our bell curve normal distribution of male and female scores. Okay, so just create the title. So like say figure 1 that shows the comparison of the normal distribution of the scores between males and females. So you can write that one. Okay, so this is it. This is how to create the normal graph. So as I've told you in the first video, this video is just to show you how to create it. But the interpretation, we'll talk about it in class. Okay, so I hope this helped in creating your own normal distribution. Whatever this means, you'll have to figure out on your own. But one thing that I'd like to show you is that if we're going to click on, say, the blue one, okay, the one at the middle actually corresponds to the mean value of the mean value. Okay, so that one, that's 5.3. Now it's up to you to interpret what this means. Okay, so if you have a question, please do ask me. I'll help you. Just send me a message. Okay, bye bye, and really hope you subscribe to my channel.